Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to suggest friends on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now search for a friend's profile, whom you want to suggest friends. In the past there was a feature called Suggest Friends, but it is not available anymore. If you tap on three dots you won't see that. But what you can do is copy the link of the profile and give it to the friend. Now tap on copy link. Now open Messenger and open the conversation of the friend whom you want to suggest friends to and paste the link here. And that's how you can suggest friends on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.